Well, look at this. It's soft rain. The lawn is waterlogged because it absolutely bucketed it down last night. All night. Loads of rain. Absolutely fantastic. Love it. Love it to pieces. And delivered last night was 2 raspberry canes grown in Thai. So what I'm going to do with those is I'm going to pot them up and put them in the nursery for a little while. See how they go on. That's if I can find whatever May's done with the pots. Because the other day I put all the trees in the orchard in the positions I wanted them to go, and ready to pot them up the morning after. And May planted them all, much to my chagrin, because whilst she's fantastic in the garden, she doesn't really know the technique of potting on. And indeed, I had to go to the apples in particular, because the apples are grown on rootstock, and it's very important that you don't pot deeper than the graft. So anyway, she did that. Now here is the kiwi, which is looking rather splendid, and here I am under the umbrella. And one subscriber commented, said that you do know that kiwis need a male and a female to fruit, and I have. That's a kiwi I bought, and I grew 2 kiwis from seed, so I've got 2 more to go in. I actually don't know how to tell the difference between a male and a female kiwi, so if anybody knows, then let me know. And as normal, a great bit of advice from a subscriber. Now I don't know where May's put these. There's a dozen pots. I don't know where she's put them. I'm going to have to go and ask her. And I can pot these raspberries up. They'll catch no harm there. I'm sure they'll enjoy this bit of beautiful Manchester weather. You know, when it's grey like this, and it's cool, and it's raining, or warmish and raining, it's like when I was a kid in Northern England on holiday, summer holidays, overcast, raining. Oh well, I'll go and ask May where she's put these pots. Well, dog's sheltering in the old workshop. And we'll head down and feed the fish. Now then, you'll no doubt be able to hear that. Now, look at that. The rice fields, the paddies are flooded with, I would say, one night of deluge, but in all honesty, the rains we've had over this last week have gone into the soil, so the soil's taken what it wants, and the rice is growing because they sowed the rice with a blower the other day. Can you hear the frogs giving it rice? Giving it large? Fantastic. Well, we'll feed the fish. I don't know, wolf them mealworms down. Now, tilapia are herbivores, and an absolute fantastic comment the other day, I think it was Brian, I'm not sure, and because they're herbivores, because they're effectively vegetarian and I'm feeding them mealworms, he said, "Are you not frightened of mad fish disease?" I thought that was very clever. Now then, another fab comment was, and the first to answer it was my friend Bob, Spitz Energy. Bob is a Brit, lives over Chiang Mai way, and I posed the question, was it a banana tree, a banana bush, a banana shrub, a banana plant? And Bob answered, it is neither. The banana is classed as a herb. Well done, Bob, I didn't know that. And then it was answered again by somebody else, I can't remember who, a bit further in the comments, that bananas were indeed a herb. You learn something every day. It's about 6:45 AM. There's farmer going off to work with a hoe over his shoulder. He'll be going to regulate the water from paddy to paddy. The way it's been done for thousands of years. I got the mower out and mowed all the lawns the other day when May was weeding all the top garden. Oh my word, it's grand. Absolutely grand. Now, these large mango trees here, they don't have fruit. There's mangoes all over the floor down here. That many we can't possibly eat them, we give them away. But this year, there doesn't seem to be any flowers on at all. Or very, very few. So perhaps they're having a rest year. This tree in front of us is avocado. And that one is rambutan, the red spiky one. Squelch, squelch on the lawn. This tree is lychees. This one is a custard apple. Well, there's the answer to that. Was it a mango or a papaya? And it's a papaya. And I've planted, this is clearly grass, it's doing rather well. I planted in there, planted in the nasturtiums. I've planted, I think, 3 packets of nasturtiums now. Nothing. I'm not sure why. This is the veggie bed that May started to prepare day before yesterday. Yesterday she went to the mountains, up into the jungle, and she came back with a load of mushrooms. And she felled that tree. I don't know why, but she does. That'll be cut up for firewood. And all the weeds were put in the compost. I'll press those down and cover them up later on. What an absolute fab day. Well, here are the two raspberries. Behind there is a blueberry. Here is one of the other kiwi fruits I grew from seed, and they'll stay here in the nursery. They're in a good mixture of compost, some bone meal, blood meal, some urea and some calcium nitrate, all mixed in with that, and the plants will grow. Because there's one thing I know about buying plants in Thailand: the soil will be absolutely crap that they come in. It'll be like clay. Always is. Oh, it's either that or rice husks, and it all falls to pieces. It's not the Thais' fault. They don't have the brass, they don't have the money, so they make do with what they've always made do with. Anyway, the rain appears to be stopping. The frogs are still giving it large, and I am going to go and have breakfast. And this morning I'm having what I have every morning, which is black currants and yogurt. And what a lovely breakfast it is too. Berries are incredibly good for you, and Greek yogurt is as well. So we'll see you later. Bye bye for now.